Tributes have been pouring in following the death of chairman of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Lester Spaulding.
Mr. Spaulding died at the Andrews Memorial Hospital this morning after ailing for some time. He was 76.
The nation's political leaders, colleagues and media organizations have saluted the man who has been part of the nation's media landscape for 5 decades. From accountant in 1965 to managing director in 1978 to chairman in 1995, Lester Spaulding served the RJR Gleaner Communications Group for 52 years. His journey to lead started in 1978, a year after the government purchased Radio Jamaica, which was before 1977 foreign-owned. As managing director, Mr. Spaulding spearheaded the transition, a success story which saw him subsequently trading his accounting spreadsheets to heading what is now the biggest media conglomerate in the Caribbean.
He has taken the group from one radio station on the AM band to now we are a group of 5 radio stations, 3 cable channels, a free-to-air TV station, a lot of online media and social media. And he really took the group through all of that, including the negotiations for the acquisition of the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, which brought television and one radio station in, the negotiations which led to the acquisition of RETV and JNN, which brought cable in, and the negotiations for the amalgamation with the Gleaner.
Coming together is going to give us the opportunity to move away with this from the sole advertising model into a technology-driven and multifaceted content driving for you to be able to grow the company.
Mr. Spaulding was born on April 1, 1941. He was educated at the Halfway Tree Primary School, then Kingston College, and College of Arts, Science and Technology CAST, now UTech. Before joining Radio Jamaica, he was an accountant at PricewaterhouseCoopers. But it is work in media and communications for which he's received many accolades. Reacting to news of Mr. Spaulding's passing, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in a statement, described him as a shrewd businessman whose leadership in media and business was exemplary. For his part, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips said Mr. Spaulding was a patriotic Jamaican who always considered a free and fair press to be a part of good governance in the country. Glowing tributes also came from staff at Broadcast House.
I have known him for many, many years, had a great working relationship with him, lots of memories, his vision, his hard working in developing the company to where it is now at the RJR Gleaner Communications Group. I know it was always his dream to make it bigger and better, and that it has become.
I'm grateful for the time that he spent. He took the time, he guided me, and he wished for me a long and successful career.
What drives you?
I don't know. I think that at the end of the day, my success, and I try to constantly monitor myself to see I'm successful. A lot of people say if you're 36 years in an organization, it's lack of ambition. Why you're not anywhere else? That's right. But I think that I have enjoyed every single day. Let's just say almost every day, right? Of being in radio. It is such a dynamic thing. It is such a that there's always a new goal to achieve.
Mr. Spaulding was due to retire as chairman of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group at the end of the year. He was 76 years old.
And so says all of us.